Hey guys, welcome to another MGI investing tutorial. This is Barrett, and today we're going to be doing a news/weekly outlook of ticker symbol JNUG. Let's jump right into it. Now before I start, if you find any of this information to be useful, be sure to like the video and leave a comment of what you think about JNUG. Now let's get right into it. Starting off, coronavirus cases have been increasing dramatically. Global cases are now officially past the 1.8 million mark. The market ended up around 27% from the lows we saw on March 23rd. And I've had some people ask, how does looking at the market help us understand what JNUG is going to do? Well, at the end of the day, Jaehnig is an index of companies that mine gold. With a global pandemic, they aren't able to open, so no mining. South Africa is supposed to resume business on April 17th if everything goes smoothly, but we're talking about getting 450,000 mining workers back to work in a quick fashion. This will probably take a few weeks. I have received some questions regarding the reverse split of JNUG, which is set for April 22nd. And just to clarify exactly what a reverse split is, it's when the price of usually a 3 times leveraged stock or any stock in general is below the requirement of a certain stock exchange. They will combine shares to keep the price above this level. In the case of JNUG, it will be 10 shares for 1 and JDST 25 shares for 1, respectively $60 and $40 for each of these if they happen right now. Now the other part of this that people were asking, is this going to affect their price? And the answer is no. This is because the split will not impact them, just changes the price to cover their basis in the exchange. Now looking at Pan America, the second largest holding of JNUG, based out of Canada, which has locations in Peru, Argentina, Bolivia, and Mexico. Mexico is set to open non-essential businesses April 30th, Peru April 12th, Argentina April 13th, and Bolivia April 15th. These quarantine periods may be extended further as the situation in each country develops. On the good side of things, Pan America is in a strong financial position to manage the current business environment. They have cash and cash equivalents as of December 31st, 2019, totaling $120 million, a credit facility of $500 million that matures February 2023. Pan America has deferred certain capital expenditures and exploration spending. Senior management has voluntarily agreed to a salary reduction until the situation normalizes, including a 20% reduction for the executive management team. For the weekly outlook on JNUG, we're in an upward pattern, making higher lows and higher highs. I have the long multi-week trend line drawn, and if we can stay above this, the trend remains. Next week is going to be a very definitive one, to say the least. With the crazy rally we have seen in the market, almost everyone is hoping in some way to see the market go down. The market is very unforgiving though, so we will have to see. The massive Fed dump we saw on last Thursday makes it even more interesting. They basically have shown they will do whatever it takes to keep the market up. A bit concerning though, as they are literally buying junk bonds at this point, which is in my opinion putting us away from a free market if these are companies that would have failed on their own. Only really delays the inevitable, which I'll have to cover in a later video. For JNUG to recover fully, we're going to have to see COVID-19 flatten, which we are already starting to see. So if these opening dates stand and we can get these miners back to work as quickly as possible, we could see a sharp recovery for the mining industry, which was set to originally have a record year. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.